What's heavier? Don't rush the answer. Pump the floating by.
It's about what you see with your eyes. It's how much mass is packed inside. Hold up, take a cubic meter of each. Same volume, what does the scale teach? If the weights have more mass, they win the game. The balloons dig, but not the same size. Don't rule and looks can mislead. It's density that tells you what's heavy indeed. Let's get technical, you ready to flex? Density is the concept dissect. It's how much mass you pack in a space. Mass divided by volume, that's the case. Call it rho, that's the Greek sign. A cool little letter that holds the line. Units, we got options in the lab. Grams per centimeter cubed if you're fat. Or go metric, kilograms per meter cubed for higher level tests. Keep that triangle, it's the rule. Put mass on top divided by volume. Stay cool, let's talk shapes. We love a cube, no surprises here. Maps to use to get volume. It's plain and clean, width times depth times height, that's the routine.
Measure it up, write down each side. Then grab a balance, don't let it slide. Place the cube, get the mass in grams. Then plug the numbers in, thank you. So it's equals mass divided by
irregular shapes, they test your brain. You can't measure width, it's not the same. We use water, that's the key. Let the stone tell us what it wants to be. Fill up a cylinder, check the line, drop the stone in. Watch it climb, start at 100 centimeters cubed, ends at 120, you're in the groove.
That means the stone's volume is 20, no lies. Now wait,
Even messy shapes fitted this plan. Liquid, smooth but not so shy. Measure well, the results go awry. Step 1, weigh your empty tool. 0 the cylinder, that's the rule. Pour in 120 centimeters cubed. Keep it level, don't let it move. Weigh the whole thing, subtract the cup. You've got the liquid's mass, add it up.
It's formula flow. Density equals mass divided by volume, let it go.
And the tip for water's test, 1 gram per centimeter cube, that's its best. Some things float, some things don't. It's not magic, it's science, no joke. Whether it sinks or stays on top, density makes the call, not luck or pop. The metal block is dense and tight, heavier than water, it sinks from sight. The wooden block floats a pro, it's less dense, that's how we know.
If the object's density is less than water, it rises up, but if it's more, then down it goes. That's the way that floating shows.
Last one, folks, and it's full of air. Let's find the density, if you dare. Grab a balloon, weigh it tight. Note the mass, you're doing it right. Then let out the air, weigh it again. Now subtract to get the mass of the gas. You're on track, from cubes to gases, blocks to stone. You crack the code, you're in the zone. It ain't numbers, it's knowing the why. It's measuring matter from sea to sky.
Mass tells you how much stuff is there. Volume and show you see best. What object's heavier when put to the test? Take this lesson, apply it strong.